Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how we can install R package, and also at the same time we want to load the R package. So I'm going to show how we can install and load packages in R. So let's start with R Studio. Let's open R Studio and start installing the R packages. So this is the first line of command I have, install packages. So if I insert hash symbol, then this is going to be a comment and there is no code running for this symbol. So if you have to comment anything, you can use this symbol, hash symbol. So let's start installing the packages. So for installing the packages, install.packages. So you will automatically see it here. You click it and now you need to write the name of the package you want to work on. So the first package I'm going to show is dplyr, dplyr. So this is our package, and to install the package in Windows you have to do Control Enter, and in Mac you have to do Command Enter. So let's do Control Enter in Windows, and now we are going to install the packages. So you can see on the bottom, so the package has been installed, and if we want to see if the package has been installed or not, we need to go and check the library and write the name of the packages, dplyr. Okay, so if we do library and the name of the package and do the same thing, Control Enter, then if it shows blue on the bottom, that means it's working and we have the package, and we have successfully installed the package by using the command install.packages, and also we have successfully loaded the package by using the command library and the name of the package.